Mary, we have a problem. A guest just arrived. It is 3 a.m.
Okay, what is the problem?
His reservation is not in the system. I cannot find his name.
What is his name?
Mr. Davis. He has a confirmation email on his phone.
Can I see the email?
Yes, here. He is very tired. He is not happy.
I see the problem. He booked for tomorrow night, not tonight.
Oh no, what do we do? We cannot send him away.
No, we cannot. Let me check the available rooms.
Okay, please be fast. He is waiting at the front desk.
Good news. Room 204 is clean and ready.
Perfect. Should I give him the same price?
Yes, same price. It is our mistake. We need to help him.
Good idea. I will tell him now.
Give him a bottle of water too, and say sorry.
Good thinking. Thank you, Mary.
No problem. That is our job. Make him feel welcome.